Lead generation is broken. We spend hours scraping, buying shady lists, and what do we get? Junk emails, bounces, and wasted money. But for the first time, there's a system that actually fixes this. A way to pull verified decision-maker emails without ads, without scraping tools, without guesswork. Introducing the Lead Laser System, the proven method that helps you attract top 1% qualified leads. With the Lead Laser System, you'll unlock hidden goldmine directories with 20+ ready-made search formulas, extract and organize thousands of emails in minutes, and bulk verify every contact so you only keep the best. This is the exact system that pulled 38,000 verified leads in less than 24 hours. Yeah, you heard that right. And it's already helping freelancers, agency owners, and founders build pipelines on demand. Here's what you'll get: the Lead Laser Playbook, the step-by-step masterclass video, and access to the private community where we drop 50,000+ verified leads every month. Lead generation doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be laser-focused. Get the Lead Laser System today and start pulling qualified leads in days, not months.